So today we will solve few numericals based on mirror formula. Let's see. A saving mirror has radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Saving mirror has radius of curvature 30 centimeter. As you know, concave mirror may also used as saving mirror. It means it is the radius of curvature of concave mirror. So given mirror is concave, radius of curvature R is equal to 30 centimeter. To be sign convention you will write minus 30 centimeter, and if radius of curvature minus 30 centimeter, so its focal length, it is understood, minus R by 2, half of the radius of curvature, minus 15 centimeter, means its focal length is given. A man see his image 2.5 times the size of his face. It means it is magnification. Magnification is 2.5. Correct now? And here, since obtained image is real, so real is virtual, so plus 2.5. 2.5 centimeter times size of his face. How far is the mirror from his face? Means distance of object. Listen once again. A saving mirror has radius of curvature 30 centimeter. A man see his image 2.5 times the size of his face. It means it is magnification. How far is the mirror from his face? His face is act as object. So in question, what is the distance of object? Clear? So since magnification for the mirror is equal to minus V by U. Minus V by U. M is given 2.5. Minus V by U. Our question is, what is the value of U? It means you will eliminate V in terms of U. Therefore, V is equal to minus 2.5 U. Minus 2.5 U. By mirror formula, 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. F is equal to minus 15, so minus 1 upon 15. U is unknown, that will remains U. V is equal to minus 2.5 U. LCM of U and 2.5 U is 2.5 U. So it is 2.5 U divided by U, that is 2.5, minus 2.5 U by 2.5 U, that is 1. 1 into minus 1, it is 1. That is 1.5 by 2.5 U is equal to minus 1 upon 15. So 2.5 U with negative sign is equal to 2.25. Multiply 15 into 1.5, sorry, 22.5. Therefore, U is equal to 22.5 upon 2.5 with negative sign. It may written as minus 225 by 25. So 25, 9 ja 225, it is minus 9. So U is equal to minus 9 centimeter. Actually, concave mirror may used as saving mirror if your face is lies within the focus of the concave mirror, and here focus is minus 15 and distance of face is minus 10, minus 9, which is less than focal length, means our answer is correct. Here, so it is questions. 5 centimeter tall means it is the height of object given. HO is equal to plus 5 centimeter. Was placed in front of a spherical mirror. Here the name of the mirror is not given. At 20 centimeter. The distance of object always negative. So minus 20 centimeter from the mirror. If virtual image of 10 centimeter tall, image is virtual and height of image is 10 centimeters. See here, virtual images are always erect, correct now? So it is and plus, and direct image is always positive. So plus 10 centimeter formed behind the mirror. Find focal length of the mirror. Focal length of the mirror and position of image V. Position of image. Name and type of the mirror. Name and type of the mirror. Okay. Height of object 5 centimeter. Distance of object minus 20 centimeter. Image is virtual, so it is erect. So height of image 10 centimeter. My focal length and distance of image and name of the mirror is to be found. Clear. So let's see. Here height of image and height of object is given. So first find out what is its magnification. Since magnification is also equal to Hi by Ho. Hi plus 10. Ho plus 5. That is plus 2. Magnification is positive, so image is virtual. Understood? And correct now? And since by mirror formula we know that first see distance of image m is also equal to minus d by u. Instead of m write down plus 2. It is minus v u. Put with proper sign minus 20. Minus 20. So it is v by 20 is equal to 2. So v is equal to plus 40 centimeter. What does it mean? Image is formed behind the mirror. So v is known. अब use mirror formula since 1 upon f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. U minus 20. V plus 40. So LCM of 20, 40. It is 40. 22 jar 2 into minus 1 it is minus 2. 40 1 jar 40 1 into 1 it is 1. It is minus 1 by 40. Take its reciprocal, so f is equal to minus 40 by 1, that is minus 40 centimeter. And as you know, in between concave and convex, focal length of concave mirror is negative. Since focal length is negative, so given mirror is concave. Clear? So next numerical we will solve in next lecture. So thank you.